Hi, this is Bob Mack with Advanced Solutions Property Management, here to talk a little bit today about why you should work with us to help you manage your rental unit. First and foremost is we have the experience to help you manage your unit. We manage hundreds and hundreds of units throughout the Salt Lake Valley. Each one of these units has given us a little more experience and then allows us to effectively help the owner manage their rental unit. Third, we use state-of-the-art technology to help manage the owner-tenant relationship. This technology increases the ability for us to communicate effectively with both owner and tenant. Third, myself and my staff, we all own rental property. We're landlords. When we're managing your asset, we look at it through the eyes of you, the landlord. Every decision we make always is preceded with, what would the owner do? And we basically make decisions from a landlord's point of view. That's very important. And we also have, as a company, very well-defined systems and procedures. Everything we do has a system or a procedure attached to it. This allows us to do constant system improvement. Every time we find an issue, we're able to improve on that and make it better. So being able to rely on us to do the right thing at the right time on a monthly basis is very important and allows our owners the comfort and knowledge that we are doing the right thing all the time. This is Bob Mack with Advanced Solutions Property Management. If you have questions on our services or any other property management item, please feel free to give me a call and we can discuss.